We have another example on the board. This time we have given angle A, side B and side C. Please notice that this time we have no given side which is opposite to given angle. We don't have side A. So if the angle A is given, okay, we don't have given side A, it means that at the very first step we cannot use law of sines. We're supposed to use law of cosines. So if we have given angle A, side B and side C, we're supposed to use this form of law of cosines. We're supposed to find side A. Okay, so let me copy this down. So we have A square is equal B square plus C square minus 2bc cosine of angle A. In order to find side A, I'm supposed to square root both sides of the formula. So I'm going to have A equals square root, open parenthesis, and I have B square plus C square minus 2bc cosine of angle A. So I have A is equal square root, open parenthesis, and I have 18 meters to the second power plus 24 meters to the second power minus 2 times B, which is equal 18 meters, times C, which is equal 24 meters, times cosine of angle 50 degrees. Close parenthesis. Of course, you're supposed to plug in everything into the calculator and calculate everything by one shot. You're supposed to get a value of A 18.56 meters. We found the opposite side to the given angle. Okay, we found side A. And we have angle A. That's why I can use law of sines and simply write A over sine of angle A. This is equal. And now someone is going to ask a question, because side B is given and side C is given, right? Which angle am I supposed to find first? You're supposed to look always for the acute angle. Okay, if you have option, we have two sides given, you're supposed to use always the shorter side. You're supposed to realize that shorter side is going to be always opposite side to acute angle. The longest one, most of the time, is going to be the opposite side to the obtuse angle. So that's why I'm going to use the short one, because I'm looking first for acute angles. That's why I'm going to write B over sine of angle B. Next, in order to find angle B, I'm supposed to cross multiply, and I'm going to have A sine of angle B is equal B sine of angle A. In order to find angle B, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my formula by side A. A and A will cancel out. And now I will have sine of angle B equals B sine of angle A over A. In order to find angle B, I'm supposed to find the inverse sine. Okay, so I have B equals inverse sine B sine of angle A over A. Plug in the numbers and you are going to have inverse sine. Side B is equal 18 meters. Sine of angle A, which is equal 50 degrees, over side A, and we found side A is equal 18.56 meters. Meter and meter will cancel out, and of course you're supposed to plug in these values into the calculator, and you're supposed to obtain the value of 47.98 degrees. Okay, so please notice that side B is not the longest side in this triangle. The longest side is side C. So if this is not the longest one, and we got opposite angle to it, 47.98 degrees, which is acute, so this is good answer for angle B. Next, we're supposed to find angle C. You're supposed to keep in mind that the sum of all angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So in order to find the missing angle, angle C, we simply subtract from 180 degrees angle A and angle B, minus angle A and minus angle B. So I have 180 degrees minus angle A, which is equal to 50 degrees, minus angle B, which is equal 47.98 degrees. This is equal. So angle C is 82.02 degrees. Okay, so please notice that this angle is the biggest angle in this triangle. Okay, even if this is not obtuse angle, but this is the biggest angle. So remember that the biggest angle is going to be always across the longest side. So we have calculate side A and we found angle B and angle C. We can say that the problem is solved.